I love my ocean views in the morning. I only have the ability to be at the beach because of real estate investing. My wife and I invested in a real estate property many years ago, and we had the ability to do a cash out refinance from one of our investment properties. We took that money out of our investment property and rolled it into a shore property. That shore property is also 2 units, so we have the ability to cash flow on it on one of the units and also have the ability to utilize the other units. So this is how we get to spend our time at the beaches whenever we want in our favorite shore town, which is North Wildwood, New Jersey, because we utilized a very wise real estate investing technique where we did a cash out refinance. Cash out refinance allows you to take equity out of your property tax-free and do whatever you want with it. We decided to make sure that we can be at the beach when we want to.